हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू वैम्पायर, क्या बोल वैम्पायर फॉल ओरिजिन्स। एंड अब मुझे याद नहीं मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, लिटरली मुझे याद नहीं। मैं कुछ दिन पहले ही कह रहा था कि मैंने ऑलरेडी मैं भूल गया मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। एनीवेज, लेट्स सी। दिस इज दिस इज वेयर आई हैव टू गो। कुछ और है आसपास? Nope, कुछ और नहीं है आसपास, मुझे उधर ही जाना है। So that's where I have to go apparently. I'm guessing I have to save the uh, mayor's a kid, if I'm correct. So let's get on to it. Get on to it, okay. Get on with the journey और चलते हैं हम इधर। uh, ये लो, ये लो, करे चवा। ओके, मैं ऑलरेडी पहुंच भी गया इधर, लॉल। दैट्स सरप्राइजिंग। बाय द अगर गेम लैग कर रहा है देन आई एम सॉरी, वो थोड़ा बहुत लैग करेगा गेम, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली आई डोंट नो व्हाई गेम डिसाइड्स टू लैग अप एट सम पॉइंट। मुझे यहाँ पे कहीं पे ढूंढना है, यहाँ पे कुछ तो ढूंढना है। क्या ढूंढूँ इधर? ए मेरा क्वेस्ट क्या है एक्चुअली? मुझे नहीं पता क्वेस्ट क्या है मेरा। ओरिजिन्स, गो टू द सीक्रेट बुश सर्कल नॉर्थ ईस्ट फ्रॉम इवेंट, स्टैंड इन द सेंटर ऑफ इट फॉर अ कपल ऑफ सेकंड्स, फाइंड आउट व्हाट हैपेंस। ओके, हाँ, इंटरेस्टिंग, आई लाइक दैट। प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर बैटल। ओके, who the hell is you? You don't look good. Sharpen, cause I can. I don't think the fracture काम करेगा. Blunt damage. So I'll just sharpen my weapon. Damage these guys. Oh, I love this damage already. Oh, I love this damage already. Heavy swing, of course. नहीं हो रखा. Okay, we'll just you punch. एक मिनट. Why you use sponge? मेरे पास bat swarm है. Uh, can I use? No, let it be. I think so. I'll be fine. That should do it. Yep. Easy victory. Easy. I didn't know, but I'm already this powerful. Like what? That did a lot of damage compared to what I used to do damage. स्टार्ट में जो डैमेज होता था उसके कंपैरिजन में बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेज हुई है. रिवाइटलाइज. ओके, व्हाट्स दिस? अब क्या करूँ मैं? फाइंड हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ द हुडेड ब्लड वुड लुक वेस्ट ऑफ हेवन एंड किल देम ऑल. वेस्ट, ओके, दैट्स वेयर आई हैव टू गो. एक्चुअली मुझे देखना है कि ये क्या है. No map location, no map location, no map location. So this is the only one which I have a map location for. So let's just get on to it. जब तक मेरे को मैप लोकेशन मिलता नहीं है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग. सो मतलब उस क्वेस्ट के रिगार्डिंग जब मिलेगा तब मैं अगर नहीं मिला मेरे को गेम, अगर नहीं मिला मेरे को तो मैं आई विल ट्राई एंड डू बैटल एनीबडी, बट ओके आई विल बैटल स्टॉकर बीस्ट. ओके, I think so. I'm going to die. I don't have the health to survive. This is going to be either a close call or I'm going to die. One of the two. Are you seriously kidding me? He dodged it. Oh, wait, don't do that. Instinct, bite. Okay. Not backstab. Just attack. Oh, भाई साहब क्या डैमेज मारा बे. I think so. They should beat. भाई वो वुल्फ ने क्या डैमेज दिया मेरे को भाई. लिटरली व्हाट द हेक वाज दैट डैमेज. I don't know what to say. It was such a strong damage. Okay, I let me just drink some. If I'm correct, oh, I'm not in a crafting area. Actually, मुझे टाउन में वापस जाना चाहिए. Show I can. Okay, so I can make the potions again because I really need those potions to be filled up. So I'll just गेम भी लाइक तेरे को टाउन में पहुंचने ही नहीं दूंगा मैं. I think so I'll be fine. I'll just keep on using this. Yeah, I think so I'll work this out. अब ये तो काफी सिंपल विकेट था. How much experience? I don't think so इसमें ज़्यादा experience मिलना चाहिए मुझे. ये ज़्यादा experience नहीं मिला मेरे को इससे. Okay, I need to see the crafted potions. Take one, because I can't. I'll actually drink this one once I can. And और potions बनाऊंगा मैं. And I'll be on my merry way to the chapter origins. Let's go. Let's see क्या होता है. मेरे को कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं मिला बट उससे मैंने उसको हराया. ओके मेरे को रिवाइटलाइज मिला. दैट्स ऑल आई गॉट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम दैट. मुझे कोई और कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं मिला. वो उधर जाना क्यों था, क्या था, कुछ कॉन्टेक्स्ट मिला ही नहीं मुझे. बस उधर गया मैं, कुछ तो किया एंड दैट्स इट. ना आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड उसमें लिखा क्या था. नॉट अ सिंगल वर्ड. बट लेट्स फाइट दीज गाइस. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू बी हियर. स्टेट योर पर्पस और पर्पसफुली एंटर अ स्टेट ऑफ दैट. आई एम हियर फॉर निकोलस. Okay. You want to fight? I'm fine. I did not mean to do that by any means, but I think so I'll be fine. No, punch. I can't take that if I'm correct. Okay. I'll do that, and actually do that, and I'll do that. There we go. Oh bhai, I did not know that was going to happen. Konnichiwa. Namaskaram. But I'm already so strong. I think so you're in lot of trouble for that. Oh wait. Goodbye. Tata. Take care. तू वेपन डैमेज कम करने वाला है. ओह नाइस डॉज. एक मिनट अगेन. Okay, that's going to take a lot of toll. Sure, I think so it will be fine. How did you miss that? Come on buddy, how did you miss that? Like come on. Okay, I actually need help this time around, so मैं help लेगा and I will sharpen. Thank you for that help. And I know that should be the end. शुरुआत में मुझे शार्पन करना चाहिए बिकॉज शार्पन इज प्रेटी स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो मैं डेफिनेटली शार्पन शुरुआत में करेगा. आई थिंक सो दैट शुड लेवल मी अप. या ओके दैट्स गुड. I'll sell these. Pick them up and sell. Has there been? Okay. Let's level up. Okay, let's see. ये के okay, focus, max focus. I could improve my focus. Skill points 4. मैंने पिछले बार यूज नहीं किया था skill point. Okay, focus region. I could increase my focus, but I think so I do want to increase my slash damage as well. तो काफ़ी important रहेगा. Because मैं इतना डर रहा हूँ अभी damage. Okay, that's good. But I do want to increase more of this. Chance for a critical भी मैं increase करना चाहता हूँ. Okay, that also will be pretty good for the time being. मैं कुछ करूँगा नहीं but. Okay, heal 15% HP after each fight. Definitely need that. Activate that. I do have ability point. कहाँ पे use करूँ? Okay. Now this is the question. कहाँ पे मैं use करूँ? Bite is really good, but I think so I want weapon since मैं weapon के साथ अभी इतना damage कर रहा हूँ. I do want that. So I going to use it there. Let's go back to completing our main quest. कितना HP है मेरा? Okay, it's full HP right now. Oh, एक मिनट, मेरे पास ये है right? There we go. That should be fine. एंड सिंस मैं वैसे भी इतना डॉज नहीं करता हूँ, लेट मी जस्ट गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड, बट मैं इसका यूज़ भी नहीं करता हूँ टू बी ऑनेस्ट, तो क्या बोलूँ. आई वांटेड टू गेट दैट इन देयर, बट आई थिंक सो मैं डबल सोल्ड करना चाहता हूँ ताकि मुझे स्लैश डैमेज इतना मिले कि ओके. हेलो konnichiwa wounded fighter. Let me do that. Because I can. You can't kill me, brother. Can't do that, but I can do this. So I will do it. Oh, that's a good chunk of damage. And I should be able to kill him. Yep, easy kill. The game has gotten easy right now, but I hope the game gets harder because right now मेरे को काफ़ी easy kills मिल रहे हैं, to be honest. आया पिछले एपिसोड में कुछ बोल नहीं रहा था, so ये टिप मेरे को फ्रीमैन ने दिया था कि apparently if I use slashing damage, it does a lot. It's the best. Slashing damage has the best weapons in the game apparently, through what he said. And I do agree, slash damage does do a lot of damage, so I am going to say I do agree with that. I have to sell the boots too, तो मैं वो करूँगा पहले, बूट सेल करूँगा with sell spear because मेरे को अभी spear की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I do want to buy another sword because I do want to like, what's that? That's good. That is a good sword. A rare sword. Spectral katana. That would be a good sword too, to be honest. Unique great sword. 1005. I think so I can make 1000. मेरे को लगता है मैं आराम से कर पाएगा, 1000 तक पहुंच पाएगा. But first let me get some healing done. Hello, मेरे को पता भी नहीं था. Rude, but okay. Sorry about that. That was pretty rude, you know. Shouldn't have been like that. Like, that's not how you expect heat to go, you know. Heal me. Yes. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good time. Okay, मुझे इससे बात करने जाना है, right? Yep. Let's go. Crafting available. कितना time? It will. मैं इससे बात कर लूँगा, तब तक हो जाएगा. Hurry quickly. I know you didn't find Nicholas over at the door, but Vaso told me he found a clue on Nicholas. It's just east. Okay. Sure. I will go wherever you want me to. मेरा यही काम है अभी. कुछ और काम तो है नहीं मेरे को. Right? Okay. It's right over here somewhere. Yo, what's up? मैं अभी तेरे से heal करने गया आया. Who the hell is you? Why did you have to come to Haven? Archer told me. Stupid Archer. Why did he have to bring you into my son's disappearance? Why couldn't he let everything be? 1 minute. Let me just show this here ताकि तुम लोग को better view मिले. I can't move it here. Wait a minute. I think so this will give you guys a better view. I just want information about the Witchmaster. The damn Witchmaster. Don't mention him. He took my son. Not a hooded Brotherhood. I was just trying to do the right thing. Damn Witchmaster. I met him here, right where we are standing right now. He told me that he needed a person for some kind of ritual. He said that either I give up my son or he would let his army destroy Haven. I had no choice. The village cannot know I gave up my son. I would be forced to leave my role as head of the village. That must not happen. I paid the brother to take the blame. I tried to convince Silsana to give you a weakening potion so the brotherhood could kill you. Instead, she seemed to have made you stronger. There is only one way to. Now I have to kill you, coward. यही होता है साला. लाइक किसी का भला चाहते हो तो तुम्हें भी मारा जाता है. लाइक व्हाई? मैंने क्या बिगाड़ा तेरा? Oh, this is going to be tough. This is definitely going to be a tough fight. I can feel it. I can feel this one being a very tough one. Oh, भाई साहब कितना डैमेज कर रहा है बे. this some kind of joke? I need to keep on healing here. I don't have that much to heal. It dodged it. What the heck? ना डैमेज करके भी कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं. You should help me. Come on. Armor reduced. That's good. Oh sorry. Ah. मैं गलती से रिकॉर्डर पर क्लिक किया. Oof, this is really turning out to be a tough one. Oh boy, I'll need to use this again. कुछ कर सकता उसके अलावा? Nope. This is going to be close. Oh, damaging. Focus point region कम है इसका. Oh, that was something. I like the design for Master, not going to lie, but that was something. You better give me a level up. Okay, good. Huh. Ah, another Agdebot. I'll use it as my second weapon. I'll find him, please. Okay. Okay, this is a rare one, so I'll use it for now. Oh हाँ, मेरा ये हो गया है, level up हो गया. Okay, wait. Let's see. Max damage with weapons. Max dex. Slash damage extra. Okay. Do I want slash damage? FP. Regenerate 1.5 extra. Okay. Either I want max FP to go up, or either think so. What will this show? Extra crafting slot. I would love that, but nope. Chance to dodge enemies. Max HP up. I feel like I want to put 1 point here, 1 point here, and I want to put 1 point here and 1 point here. थोड़ा spread out करना चाहता हूँ. I'll increase this. Helpful. Fracture is helpful, so I'm going to increase that. Do I मेरा health कैसा दिख रहा है? हाँ, okay, fine by me. Okay, now what am I supposed to do here? Let's see. मेरे quest देखने दे मेरे को. Origins. Speak to Tisana the poet. See what information she has. Where is Tisana? जाना किधर है मुझे? Says speak to Susana. Let's see. Tisana the potion maker. Potion maker. If I am correct, here the potion maker. No, you're holy fetish of the sun. Not Tisana. Potion maker मेरे को याद नहीं कहाँ पे था. कहाँ पे थी? I need to check. You're a guard, old woman. So you have a name. Okay. You are a hunter. Sisana potion maker. Verico, Chris Cavity, hunter. Simoni, young man, drunk, lady, nice, drunk and lady together, drunk again, Mary. इतने लोग हैं ना इधर. I like the environment में इतने लोग हैं, but it's really annoying to find where sad hunters. Why you sad? Tent inhabitant, energetic man. None of these people. I got stuck. You are beggar. You are very drunk Igor. अरे घुस अंदर. Farmer. 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 Troubled man. Okay. Dreaming woman. Hunter. Wait, where is my location? Lol. Sarah. Simon. Blacksmith. Literally blacksmith. Jessa, irritated farmer. Where can I find Sisana? Like, potion maker कहाँ पे find करूँ मैं? I don't know. समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. Oh wait, is this the potion maker? I think so. Let me read the potion maker. Let me try and get there. I'll go to the footpath cause I don't want to risk fighting anybody on the way. Why can't I see it on the map? That's my question. Nope, that's shiny. It's somebody else. Out of towner, out of towner. Out of. I need to find somebody cool. Kila. An. Farmer. Old farmer. Farmer. अरे कितने farmer? Strange figure. Okay. As you wish. Where is Sisana? Shady figure. Purple carrots. I see. No. Purple carrots. Weirdo. Okay, that's not where I'll find her then. Where? Oh! मैं देखा भी नहीं उधर. I was like, what the heck is that? And then I finally got it. I don't care. मैं shortcut ले रहा हूँ. Seriously, dude. Like, what the heck? I am blinder. What the hell? What the hell? Oh boy! क्या मजाक है ये? Who the hell was that? Okay, I'm going through the roads. Okay, move. Game. Okay, that was weird. Still, I'm not going through the woods anymore. Okay, let's take the safer route. I think so that's better. Holy shit, क्या था वो? So much damage, like इतना damage. मजाक चल रहा है क्या? इतना damage दे रहे हो? चलो, पोशन मेकर के पास चलो. Looking for some potions. Vasu is red. Why did you help me? The fall card. I cannot allow that. And let's not forget your specimen too rare to disappear from here. Thank you, I think. Anything else regarding the where's the witch master? He's to be very powerful but about dark things. Be careful regarding it. My place in this world is to make potion rituals, though I won't put a finger in a ritual. You should go to the University of Kamengrad to the northwest of Avon. They like to poke around the rituals and dark stuff. I have a friend there, Professor Rosen. Find him. You might want to get away from Avon. Arshil is assembling a few hunters who are loyal to Vasa. They'll hunt you down. Watch out. Before you go, take this potion recipe. If you drink this potion, enemies will be drawn to you. Enemies will be drawn to you. Good for training. Deadly if used wrong. Okay. Anything else regarding this? Okay, thanks. Looking for some potion? Yes. Let's see. Creature lure. I think so. I do not have that. I did level up, which is good. And I think so. I'm going to go with some more. Yep, I'm going to go with that. I need those focus point regeneration as fast as possible, तो मैं वही करने वाला हूँ. Add 1 HP every combo turn. Okay, that's good. +2 armor. I think so. मैं armor पे भी focus करूँगा, but not right now. I wanted to get that focus point up. Well, damage already up है, and I think so. This is also a good time to save. Okay, एक और चीज़ है. Okay. Don't know what that is. You will activate one might act manually. Oh, अच्छा. So there is like all these things जो मैं एक ही use कर सकता हूँ इनमें से. I get you. I think I'll have that elemental conjure, whatever that is. I feel like that will be useful, and I think so. This is also a good time to end the episode right over here. काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस किया हम लोग ने। अभी हम लोग जाएंगे यूनिवर्सिटी में, इफ़ आई एम करेक्ट। आई ऑल्सो वांट टू डू ऑल दीज क्वेस्ट सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ एवन नियर द, ओके, आई थिंक सो आई वांट टू डू दिस। आई वॉन्ट टू डू ऑल दीज क्वेस्ट, तो अगले एपिसोड में हम लोग सब साइड क्वेस्ट करेंगे, बिकॉज दैट्स वॉट वी आर अबाउट टू डू। सो मैं फर्स्ट पे यही करूँगा, एंड देन ओरिजिन्स में कंटिन्यू करूँगा, डोंट वरी, मैं करूँगा ये सब, बट आई थिंक सो आई वांट टू कंप्लीट द साइड क्वेस्ट नेक्स्ट एपिसोड, स्टार्टिंग नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। तो वही हम लोग करेंगे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में साइड क्वेस्ट। मिलता हो तब तक, टेक केयर।